Let me guess, you always wanted to be a part of a premium high level community where you could learn, ask questions, get on live sessions, as well as get free courses, everything related to high level from somebody who's been in this industry for the last 5 years and generated more than 300,000 US dollars. If that's a yes, this is the exact video that you need to watch till the end in order to get access. So, this is the high level lab, right? However, this is free for only first 500 members. So if the number goes beyond 500, the chances are that I'm going to make it a paid community and then you have to pay every single month in order to get access to it. But for now, you can claim it for free for lifetime. Okay. So this is the high level free AI software business starter kit. Now you get a lot of this. You get free high level business training, premium snapshot resources access, weekly live group coaching calls, super important because we're going to discuss everything live Q&A. We're going to discuss strategy, feedback, implementation, community support, all of that. You're also going to learn about community uh, acquisition strategies. All of that is going to cover inside this video. So what you need to do is you basically need to just click here to get instant access. Now, once you get instant access, you will be redirected to this particular high level lab community by me, right? Now, here is a post where I showed people as to how can they join the high level coaching Q&A calls, right? So once you're inside this, you just click on this one, which says coaching plus Q&A is happening in 8 days. So click here, coaching plus Q&A, and here you'll be able to get access to this particular coaching call. Now, depending on which part of the world you are in, is going to show you a different time since there's a specific time that's going to have a live session on, right? However, it clearly states that join the high level lab coaching and Q&A session and starting from 1 p.m. Eastern time, right? So it's a fixed time that's going to have this session for, and do not worry about it. These sessions are also going to be recorded and added to the high level classroom. All right, so you can click on add to calendar here, and then you can go to Google Calendar here and then get this added, right? Do make sure that this is happening every single week. So you can add it weekly on Wednesday. And when you add it weekly on Wednesday, you can click on save here, right? That's exactly what you need to do here. And as you can see, if you just go to in the month of June, you'll be able to see that sessions are happening every Wednesday, 1 p.m. Eastern time, right? So yeah, get access to the premium community here, get your coaching calls here, and you also have a classroom where you can learn the courses. I'm also going to introduce a lot more courses, but yeah, only the first 500 will retain the membership for free. Others will have to pay in order to get access to this. This access is for lifetime, by the way. So yeah, enjoy your access, learn high level, and grow your business.